The new World Robotics 2020 Industrial Robots Report shows a record of 2.7 million industrial robots operating in factories around the world. In 2019, sales of new robots remain on a high level with 373,000 units shipped globally. This means a slowdown in sales by 12% in comparison with 2018 and reflects the difficult times in automotive and electronics. But it's still the third highest sales volume ever recorded. Asia remains the strongest market for installations of industrial robots. China and Japan even have incentive programs in place for investment in robots being integrated into manufacturing. The annual installation of industrial robots for metal and machinery industry remained 44,000 units yearly, representing around 9% of the annual sales. The average robot density in manufacturing is worldwide 113 installed robots per 10,000 employees. All these numbers to show that exponential technologies have accelerated more in the last 5 years than they have in the last 50, leading to more and more companies starting to automate. Also, LVD's journey in automated bending has been an interesting one. We have learned a lot in recent years about the demands of automated bending. So, what have we learned and what has changed over the last 20 years? In the beginning, we were all walking. Early 2000 was the introduction of LVD's Ulti-Form adaptive bending system. With Ulti-Form, we eliminate the problem of thickness and grain variation. Automation with inbuilt quality assurance eliminates errors and improves accuracy. In the past decades, robots have only really been seen in repetitive and high-volume applications, only practical for bigger batches due to the fact that robots had to be taught all the moves. Automation was 15 years ago all about simplifying recurring activities by letting machines and software do them for you. What we have learned with products such as RoboFormer and RoboCell is that overall cost of the cell and having a fast and automated programming solution is vital. Both points being a restriction of those products at that time. In 2012, we made a huge step with our tool cell. Executing recurring activities on a daily basis gets monotonous for employees. Automation solved this problem and allows people to take up more challenging and rewarding activities. All of this leading to employee satisfaction. Small batch, high part mix, short lead time culture has become commonplace. Our auto tool changing press brake tool cell provides the solution and improves throughput. In 2018, we introduced our DynaCell with the motto, programming must be simple and automated. In the past, if you wanted to work with robotized bending, typically you needed to employ highly skilled robot programmer. Today, customers need and demand a programming solution that they can program both the press brake and the robot automatically. Today's bending automation customer is focused upon super fast, simple programming, balanced cost of the equipment and shortening the order to cash cycle, whatever the batch size. Almost every company now are focused upon how they utilize their working capital. OEMs are reducing stock inventory and putting more pressure on the supply chain. Therefore, it's all about flow and the speed of the R2 part journey.